departure. Orca 01 flight is passing 1,000 for 9 block 10 and number 2 still on the runway.
Orca 01 heavy traffic departure, altimeter 299 ident.
2 with flash, Orca 01 flight.
01 heavy flight radar contact 1 mile southwest, gas tech.
Orca 01 flight.
Rider 83, turn right, heading 120.
20, Rider 83.
Command Polo, Stoke 21, airborne. Payloads copies.
01 heavy flight, turn right, direct Williams.
Flight right, direct Williams.
3, 7 miles southbound approach, 6, turn right, heading 180, maintain 2000 to establish on segment approach, cleared RNAV, runway 2 left approach.
Right, 180, maintain 2000 to establish, cleared RNAV, 21 left approach, Rider 83.
Toga 21 heavy traffic approach.
And departure Toga 21, sorry about that, checking in 2700 with Orca 01 flight.
21 heavy traffic approach, altimeter is 299 ident.
292.
Toga 21 heavy radar contact 5 miles southwest, gas tech.
Toga 21.
2.
Number 8 Bravo Alpha traffic, no back.
8 Bravo Alpha.
Rider 83, turn right, 240 to establish.
Rider 83.
Heavy flight, contact Oakland Center 1, correction, 125.85.
On flight 125.85. Orca 01 flight check.
2.
Oakland Center, Orca 01 flight is climbing up to 9 block 10,000, passing 8,000, and number 2 is 5 miles of trail.
Orca 01 flight Oakland Center, climb and maintain block level 220 to flight level 230.
Climb and maintain 22 block 230, Orca 01 flight.
And Oakland Center, climb and maintain flight level 230.
30, compass 5799.
What you'll have on course in a minute.
Gas 5576 at a 260240, heading 230.
26 Oakland Center, roger, thank you. 3, descend and maintain flight level 190.
190, W633.
5576, descend and maintain flight level 190.
5576.
33, cleared direct Lozit, descend via the Bodega 3 arrival, altimeter 29904.
Airport, direct Lozit, descend via the Bodega 3, W633.
Good evening, Oakland. It's Delta 1455, 279, descending 240. We're on a 180 degree heading.
1455 Oakland Center, descend and maintain flight level 190.
Maintain 190, Delta 1455.
Need to say your inbound course again to Williams, please.
353.
Or request disconnect.
1 is disconnect.
Before we'd like to back out to 100 feet, we're going to do a seat swap.
You're with broadcast, you're on guard.
We're on guard. 215. 2421, we're going to be turning north in a few seconds here.
Alright, 24 stable, ready?
21, you're clear to contact. 21's going to be coming left in a minute.
24 copy.
1. 21's coming left. 21's disconnect. And 2421, you're clear to contact, going ready. Contact 21.
Orca 01 flight on interplane.
Yeah.
Just stay on this Victor interplane until the Tahoe flight's off of the track. Tahoe flight, this is Orca flight on AR Prime.
Go ahead for Tahoe flight.
We just wanted to make sure we're deconflicting, maybe asking the dumb question, but you guys weren't going to be doing 7 Alpha again once you finished with Bravo?
Not planning on it.
Copy that. Thanks for the clarification. We're going to be entering the 7 Alpha IP in about 30 minutes. We're in the block 25 to 27 refueling with Toga flight.
We're also in the block 25 to 27, but we're heading northbound on Bravo right now.
Copy that. Thanks for the clarification. You guys have a safe flight.
Or request disconnect.
21's disconnect.
2101.
Copy.
Ready.
Forward, 21. 2-1, you're clear to contact. 2-1. Disconnect.
We're going to go back out to 100 feet and do another C-swap.
2421, you got 22 minutes left on track.
Good, yeah, we just got 2 more guys to get, and we should be done with you. Stable ready.
421, you're clear to contact.
24, clear contact.
21.
147, airborne at this time.
Well, let's copy. 01, radio check on airplane. 01, checking in on airplane. From 01, I'm done whenever you guys are. Connecting now.
We'll get one more. Sure, sounds good.
01 would like to coordinate a practice emergency separation. Called by the boom operator shortly after contact is made. 01 ready.
Copy.
Break. Terminate practice separation. Right.
Ready?
497, 32-1 has to leave on the right. 1 from 2-1, you're clear to descend down to 255, we'll go up to 260. Clear to serve. 290 now.
Cleared 2, and also can you go full bright on your lights? I can barely see you. Sure, thank you. 121, clear contact.
Receptacle up, your receptacle light up a little bit, behind it. Clear contact.
Mach Tahoe 21, ready to read. Mach Tahoe 21, we're having a problem with the boom latch. The boom will not latch. So we've ran through our boom latch failure checklist, and it says here at the end that a boom sling or a support stick the right. So will you guys have that available for us upon landing? 2-1. Boom copies, or 2-1 copies. 2-1 copies. Mach 2-1, we're going to declare an emergency, so we'll probably have to deal with the fire folks at the end of the runway before we come in.
Tower control, Tower 2-1. Tower control, Tower 2-1. Tower 2-1. Command post, Tower 2-1. Control, this is Tahoe 2-1. Just to let you know, we have an issue with the boom. We cannot stow it, but we still have pressure to it, so we can keep it up. We're going to declare and full stop here in the next about 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes. We've coordinated with maintenance to secure the boom after we land.
Can you hear me? Interphone?
Yes. Get you through on interphone either. Deal. Give it another shot on the next contact. You want to coordinate for a practice set at the end of this one? How long after contact were you looking for it? For that, I want to do about 30 seconds. 01, Toga 21 would like to coordinate for a practice emergency separation approximately 30 seconds after contact. How copy? 01, copy. 1, you are clear for contact. Toga 21, breakaway.
20 emergency separation.
01, Toga 21. 01, Toga 21, ready to copy clearance. Cleared to maintain this heading, and we got you to 260. We're going to maintain this present heading as well, and we are cleared down to 250. You should squawk 6346. And when you're well clear, we'll do the altitude swap. Copy, standing by.
Mile in trail, we are well clear off to your right side a little bit. We're ready for that altitude swap.
Alright, we're descending to 250, you're cleared to 260.
01's coming up to 260.
Talking on 134975.
Orca 01, beeliner 47. Orca 01, beeliner 47. Orca 01, beeliner 47. Orca 01, beeliner 47.
Orca 01, beeliner 47, how do you read? 47, level 250 on time, squawking 1777.
Orca 01, copy, level 260 on time and squawking 6346.
Orca 01, beeliner 47, Arkansas. 007172, what's yours?
850029. From 01, let's execute overrun procedures. Connor from Orca 01, 360 has us rolling behind you. If you'll execute some overrun procedures, help us out to pass you.
Yeah, we're at right now. We can slow further.
That'll help us out. We'll roll behind you and then push it up, and shouldn't be too much longer.
47.
01, beeliner 47. We're slowing to 220 knots, and we are IP inbound. We're pinning you behind us on the TCAS.
Yeah, copy that. We got you in sight, about to roll behind you. We'll push it up and pass right over the top of you.
7 copy.
4701, we're passing over the top of you now. You guys can accelerate to AR speed. We'll flow to 285.
47.
Accelerating to 295.
47.
701, you're clear, sir.
0147, we've got a current qualified IP in the seat and a non-current aircraft commander for air refueling. First plug will be autopilot on. What kind of training are you looking for tonight?
Orca 01, beeliner 47, our AR receptacles in op.
01 copy.
For the radio.
47, can you confirm you said your AR receptacle is an op?
Boom, interphone, sorry about that.
01, can you turn up your lights with the engine, please? How's that?
This is Toga 21.
Toga 21, go ahead.
Toga 21 is 30 minutes out, Alpha 1, and requesting parking and crew transportation upon arrival.
Copy, somebody for parking. Yeah, boss.
For Toga 21?
Spot's going to be 230, hot copy.
230, thanks.
Get it back to 100 feet for a T-swap, and you can turn the autopilot back on. 0147, do you have any other training requirements for tonight?
Negative, sir. Just whatever you need.
47, we've got a current qualified IPC and a unqualified co-pilot in air refueling. He's just going to be maintaining the pre-contact position. 0147. 47 request one more contact to practice emergency separation.
You are clear to contact.
47.
Where your eye can plug you.
47.
Forward 4. Breakaway, breakaway, breakaway. 01 flight, terminate emergency separation.
7 terminate emergency step.
And 4701, ATC has your NDR request. We are talking to them on 134.975. They did not give us any squawk for you yet.
Copy, thanks for the help. And we're in the descent to the bottom of the block, 250.
We'll let them know to expect you. 701, ATC wants you to squawk 1777, and they're up on 134.975.
For beeliner 47, copy that. 1777 on the squawk and switching to center. Thanks again for the help.